You see that old rusted copper pipe? Yeah, that decided to break off at 4:30 this morning. So we are here getting ready to replace the faucet. Granted, this faucet has shown signs of age, and we had meant to replace it, and procrastination has brought us to this point. So 4:30 in the morning and your faucet breaks. Very frustrating. So we're down here and we are getting ready to disassemble the sink. We're gonna have to take this off, then come down here and take these off. Where's the other one at? Over there. These two, this. Then we're gonna be taking this off, disassembling all this so we can take off the faucet up at top. Oh, we'll have to take this piece here off as well to take off the faucet. As I showed you before, this piece here broke off at 4:30 in the morning. And now we've got it disassembled. And we've got the cleanup portion ahead of us. And anyway, we are making progress. I have a new tool that I picked up that I will show you here in a few minutes. A little bit how it works and how easy it makes this job. But we're making some decent progress right now. And make sure you do all your cleanup of your faucet so you can put your silicone on here before you remove the old drain, because that way all the stuff that you clean off can wash down the drain, so that way you don't get anything in the new. So anyway, now we're ready to completely disassemble the drain portion and put the new drain back in and put the new faucet back on, and we'll give you an update on that after we're done with the fun stuff. Make sure when you're done and you got everything hooked up that you're checking for leaks. So, we have water in the sink. New plunger. Another fun-filled win. It's always nice to see a finished project that works properly. Well, that's one down. Two more to go. We have two other faucets that are getting the same, or the two other sinks that are getting the same faucet. So this is the first one, done out of necessity. All right, for our project, this is the faucet. That we're going to install, and if we turn it back over, this is what it says is required: a crescent wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and some silicone. That's what's required for installation. What they don't tell you that you need for this project is the disassembly. as you saw in the box, it said you needed a crescent wrench. It doesn't say which size crescent wrench you need, but you need a crescent wrench big enough to grab a hold of your pipe to loosen this, which a screwdriver through the hole helps you take that off because you can see it's threaded. But you also need a crescent wrench that's big enough to grab onto this nut to drop this down so you can loosen this. So there's various different crescent wrenches you need. And this guy was a cute little toy that I picked up that is adjustable for multiple purposes. This goes in one side and that goes on another. This piece comes out and it's got other attachments. But we had to use this. That'll be fun later. This guy came up, so it's got the slot here, so the hose, the slot slides up the hose so you can get up to the top of your faucet and loose, because this guy holds the faucet underneath the sink, and it loosens those by doing this number while you're underneath the sink. So this guy actually came in handy. I didn't know when I bought it if it was actually going to be worth the money I paid for it, which is like, I think, 30 bucks. But it's a multi-tool, and you know, everybody likes a multi-tool. So it slides up the hose. If we can get this to happen here with one hand. It slides up the hose so your hose doesn't have to be disconnected first. And this side works to grab the end of your hose to loosen your hose. And then you also have, I believe it was the other side, one of the others fit on the other side. Wasn't that one, clearly. Well, maybe I used the crescent wrench, because that's not working either. But anyway, this side here, you don't want to tighten too tight anyway, because this goes into your plumbing, and it's got a gasket. Well, this side didn't. The new one has a gasket inside, so you won't just want to go just more than hand tight with it. And but this guy here again was what caused our entire problem. That copper tube inside broke off. So the project, the disassembly, takes longer than the reassembly, and the reassembly makes it look beautiful afterward. So thanks for watching, and Sean, I hope you enjoyed the Fix-It project, because you were complaining that we didn't have enough garage and too much cooking. So StoveTop-Garage has a little more garage for you. Thank you. Enjoy your day.